You are looking at a UV lamp manufactured by us, designed to replace the Verdeco i40718 lamp in germicidal UV units. This is a low-pressure mercury-free quartz lamp. Lamp labeling options are listed on its page on the website. Characteristics. The lamp has 2 ceramic bases with 4 pins on one side. The power is 40 watts. Operating current is 0.7 A. The power of 3 radiations is 16 W. Dimensions. The length of the lamp is 525 mm, arc length 450 mm, tube diameter 10 mm, base diameter 22 mm. The service life is 16,000 hours. All technical parameters can be found in the lamp passport. Each bulb is securely packaged in a cardboard tube with extra soft protection inside. We guarantee safety in transit and free replacement in case of damage. We always have in stock all kinds of components for all types of bactericidal systems: lamps, quartz covers, power supplies, gaskets and connectors. The inner surface of all our lamps is coated with a special UVL-I40718 Plus compound developed by our engineers. It prevents fossil glass molecules from penetrating into the mercury, selling the efficiency of the lamp's room service. You can order this lamp and other equipment by filling out an application form on the website or by calling us by phone.